and you're going to be able to make more money because you're going to be able to see, okay, this is where I'm spending too much, this is where I'm spending too little, this is where our expenses are going, this is what the income is, etc. All right, I'm going to get into it on this one. One of the biggest buzzwords that everybody loves to hear is a pro forma or a financial forecast. And let me tell you, financial forecasts are just about as useful as soggy wet toilet paper. They are. Banks might like them and an investor might like them, but let me tell you, they are absolutely useless when you're going to start your business because you can't tell what the future is going to bring. You can have an idea and you can have a plan for it, but you can never tell. So don't focus on financial forecasting and budgeting for each location. We don't do that. Let me tell you what we do. We focused all our efforts on our profit and loss sheet, and we review our numbers every single day. We've already talked about these numbers: number of new clients that buy, number of returning clients that buy. Those are increasing. We're doing well. After that, we look at our profit and loss sheet every day. What is our cost of goods? What is our income? Income minus cost of goods is gross profits. Then we add all the other expenses in there: staff, rent, marketing, etc., miscellaneous expenses. We get our net profits. Higher net profit, the more money our clinic makes, the more money we make, etc. So we want to make sure that we are always focused that our baseline is all of our expenses combined plus 10%. That's called the viability number. So, in order for a clinic to be viable, meaning pay all its bills and grow, you have to be able to, one, pay all the bills, and two, have 10% on top of that. So, if all your expenses for a clinic are, let's say, $20,000 a month, that's your rent, that's your payroll, that's your cost of goods, etc., marketing. If that's $20,000 a month total, then it would be $20,000 plus $2,000, 10%. That is your viability number. Anything above $22,000 a month, you know you're making money because you're paying all your cost of goods at 20K and to run the business, and 2K is what's left over. Now, 2K is very, very low, obviously. Not going to be able to get rich off that. But that gives you an idea of what and when you can start to take dividends after that viability number. We always make sure that we focus on those first KPIs, then we focus on the cost of goods, and we make sure we have that rolling over. We use simple QuickBooks Online. Now, I know people love QuickBooks Desktop because it could do so much more shit. At the same time, you have to upload or download QuickBooks Desktop. And if you don't have a person consistently doing it every single day, day after day, you need to find someone else. Trust me. Our accountant, ShipShape Accounting, they're on my vendors page. ShipShape Accounting, they have been phenomenal. They've done all of my businesses. They've done Genesis, over 80 locations. They're on time every month. On top of it, they've done it for high level medical businesses. Obviously, we're a medical business doing over $100 million in gross a year. They are phenomenal. I highly, highly recommend them. They are extremely good at what they do. They use digital QuickBooks Online. It's easy to see your numbers every single day. It's easy to see your invoices, what's coming in, what's coming out. It's all on there. Do it. Use that. Connect your credit cards, everything to it. Get your finances right. And you're going to be able to make more money because you're going to be able to see, okay, this is where I'm spending too much, this is where I'm spending too little, this is where our expenses are going, this is what the income is, etc. So make sure you get a very good accounting team and you're going to be able to budget for the future. Don't just make it up though. That's useless.